Hi everyone, in the previous video I showed you how to add a data disk using a portal. It was very simple. We go inside our virtual machine, we go to the disks, and you just simply add your disks here, and then you set how much the capacity do you want for your hard drive. What if you want to use a PowerShell for that? Can we do that? Of course we can do that. For that purpose, we will open our PowerShell. So what we want to do is, we have already got two disks. What I want to do is add another disk into my demo VM. So for that purpose, I will set some variable first. If you're familiar with the language, variable is where you set your input inside a variable. For instance, integer is equal to 1. A box is equal to some goods, like you say, with the variables inside. So I'm gonna have some variable set first. So I have these written already, but I can explain. So I'm gonna paste here. So first one is I'm creating a variable resource group with my existing demo. So if I go to my overview, this is linked with the demo group. So I'm saying this should go in resource group demo. I hit enter. Next one, I want to give the machine name where I want my hard disk to be. So my machine name is what, demo VM. So machine name demo VM, which is what is my machine name. I hit enter. Next one is I need to find the location. My location is Central US, so I'll set a location to Central US, which is fine. I need to have a storage type, which is I guess locally redundant storage would be fine. You will see more videos related to the replication techniques. So we have standard LRS storage type. Hit on enter. We want to give our disk name. I already got 2, so I want to maybe give it a name of 3. So I set it to disk name new disk 03. Hit enter. And how much size do I want my disk to be? So I can maybe set it to 10. Okay, so now we got all the variables set now. So we have resource group, everything. Now what we want to do is we want to configure the new disk basically. So we set this command. So we say copy, paste. So it says dataDiskConfig, and we're setting it inside the variable. And then we set the command New-AzDiskConfig SkuName storage type. What is storage type? Standard LRS, so it will automatically come here. Then the next is location. We know location is Central US. We have CreateOption Empty, and then disk size. We already mentioned our disk size here, which is 10. So enter that. Okay, that's done. Now we need to reference our VM, because we haven't mentioned our VM where this should be going to. So we need to create a new disk. So you use this command for creating a new disk. So we have datadisk01 or 03 is equal new-AzDisk DiskName. We have DiskName is what we have 03 there. -disk dataDiskConfig already set inside. We have variable here, and we've got resource group, which is demo. We hit enter. So this is creating a disk now. Okay, it's created. Now we need to reference it to our VM. So copy that, paste. So VM is equal, what is our VM? Get-AzVM Name, machine name, what is it? Demo VM, and the resource group again is demo. Hit enter. Now we need to add the disk to the VM. So again, we need to use the VM variable. Paste. You see datadisk VM name. We already know the VM name. DataDiskName is already here, which is new disk 3. It is a managed disk, and this is -lun2. It's a bit funny word, but in my language, but LUN means I can show you here what it means. So if you see here, let me go to the disks. Where is disks? So if I go to the disk, so you can see the LU number 01, so I'm setting it to 2 so it doesn't overlap or anything. So I hit 2. Okay, and now I need to update at the end. So what I have to do is just simply use the update command, copy, paste. So we say update -AzVM -VM. VM is resource group name, resource group. Hit enter. And this should add another disk here. So it might take a couple of minutes. So we have 0, 1, 2. We'll have another third disk attached with our VM. So let's wait a couple of minutes. So now in here, request ID success, status OK, say OK. We just simply go there and refresh the page. So we should have the disk 3 in here. Yep, we got the new disk, which is 10 GB, and it's been added. So that's how we can use simply the Powershell commands to create a managed disk, basically. So thank you for watching the video. I hope that was helpful.